Welcome to our channel, where we unlock the art of woodworking and inspire creativity. If you've ever dreamed of transforming simple pieces of wood into beautiful, functional crafts, you're in the right place. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or a complete beginner, our projects cater to all skill levels, ensuring that anyone can dive into the world of stylish wood crafts. In today's fast-paced world, handmade crafts are making a comeback. People are seeking unique, personalized items that add character to their homes and lives. Through our videos, we'll explore a variety of woodcraft projects that not only showcase your skills, but also provide you with marketable items that you can sell for extra income or simply gift to loved ones. Each week, we'll present a new project that you can create at home using minimal tools and supplies. From chic home decor to functional furniture, our crafts range widely, ensuring there's something for everyone. We'll break down each project into easy-to-follow steps, so you can follow along no matter your experience level. But it's not just about the projects, it's about the journey. We'll share tips on choosing the right materials, finishing techniques, and tools that can elevate your craftsmanship. Additionally, we'll discuss the importance of sustainability in woodworking and how you can source your materials responsibly. In our upcoming series, you'll learn how to create stunning pieces like rustic wooden signs, elegant plant holders, and stylish cutting boards. Each project is designed to not only challenge your skills, but also to ignite your creativity, allowing you to put your personal touch on every creation. Are you wondering how to turn your hobbies into a profitable venture? We'll also dive into the business side of woodworking. From pricing your crafts to marketing them effectively, we'll guide you through the process of setting up an online shop and reaching your target audience, helping you turn passion into profit. Community is at the heart of what we do. We encourage you to share your creations with us. Use the hashtag woodcraftjourney on social media, and you might just see your project featured in one of our videos. Join our growing community of wood enthusiasts, and let's inspire each other to create and innovate. In addition to project tutorials, we'll host Q&A sessions, live streams, and collaboration videos with other talented creators. This will give you the chance to learn from different perspectives, techniques, and styles in woodworking. We believe that every woodworker has a unique story to tell, and we want to share those stories with you. So, grab your tools, dust off that workspace, and get ready to unleash your creativity. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a project. We're excited to go on this woodworking adventure with you and can't wait to see the amazing crafts you'll create.